Hi! In front of me is VIVO Y22S, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off easy mode on this device. First of all, you need to open Devices Settings. Then scroll down and click on Lock Screen and Wallpaper. After that, tap on Simple Mode and click on this switcher next to Simple Mode feature. After that, click on Experience Now, and as you can see, Easy Mode is now on. If you wish to go back to the standard one, you need to access Settings and tap on Exit Simple View. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!